Okay, welcome to this video. We've some developments on the bike now. Just fitted the EGr, or L-TWOO I should say, EGr V.3 battery powered wireless group set, and pleased to say also I've got the 2026 brake calipers. All is going very nicely. So yeah, very much one for the tinkerers, and if you're working on bikes a lot, you'll be very comfortable taking your time to put this all together. Things are a little bit different, devoid of instruction. Very, very helpful YouTube site and channel and playlists from L-TWOO, and of course Chinatown.org has got a lot of support, various other bits and pieces on Reddit as well. Take me in for a closer look. So here we are. This is the remote. Sorry for a few noises off here. We're going to get wind blowing about in the summer. That's 26 Vision 30 wheels. This is my long-standing Middleburn crankset. I've got a stone 28T chainring on there. A little bit of up tilt, and we have the on-track pedals from Look. Batteries go down in here, and I've got my Paradise saddlebag mount on in there. No bolting here, nice and rested. Shifter. This is working wonderfully. I'll just have a little bit of a spin for you so you can have a quick browse at the calipers down here. So this is a new style. I left my GRX cables with the hydraulic fluid in on this build, and everything is working absolutely perfectly. So all the Shimano GRX bolts match the L-TWOO shifter bolts. So if you're taking the bolt out of the shifter, you can swap them over with no problem at all. Just need to clip off the usual bits and pieces so that you can fit in your barb, etc., to get all the oil working. Hassan saddle. This has been going for a little while on the bike this year. Absolutely fabulous. So that's working a treat. Help kit, that's full of food today, and I've got my DJI camera mount on the bar. Stripped off my Pro logo bar tape, gave that a scrub in the sink, put that back on, and yeah, so all's going well. So that's what's carrying me about these days. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.